Alright guys, so we made it to my friend's house right here. I was going to lift it up with the jack, but I find this spot. It has like a couple of sandbags over there, and it gives me enough height to work on it without need to lift it. So I'm not gonna be lifting it up. Just gonna do it right here, right now, quickly, and then give it a wash because it's really dirty, like really dirty. So yeah, let's take everything out of the bag and start putting it on. It should be easy.
20 minutes later.
Okay guys, so I already put like 2 push screens and 2 bolts, and look how it's coming out. Oh my god, so clean. Alright, let me show you what I did. So the back end with these push screens and the other one, and then I put one bolt here, one bolt here, and another one here, just to hold it so it doesn't fall like the other side. But yeah, it's coming out really nice. Let me keep putting the bolts.
Later.
Okay, so all the bolts are on, as you can see. I had to change a couple because if I put the bolts where the hole is, it will have a space that you can see from the outside, so I just moved the hole a little bit to the left. So, but yeah, pretty much everything's installed. I like this one because it brings 4 push screens like this one. So you put one on the edge over there, and then 2 in the middle and 1 on the other side. So that holds the front lip in place, and then you just screw the bolts. But yeah, let's see how it looks. Oh man, oh my god, simple stuff guys, simple stuff like that, and made the car look so much aggressive. Wow. And the fitment was pretty good actually. Wow. That completes the car a lot. Now we have the front lip, we need the side skirt, and on the back, of course, we have the vortex generator, the golden flap, the catback exhaust, and the curved brake light. So yeah, that completes the looks right there. Yo, it looks so good, that front lip though. What? Look at that guys. Yo, it's so insane now. Let me put it back on the road to see how low it looks now.
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, let me see how it looks on the road. Oh my god, what? Yo, it looks so mean now. Damn. Yo, that looks so sick from top. Oh my god, look how that looks guys, the front lip only. Damn, what I did, I should have done this before. What? Now I just need the side skirts over here. The back has the vortex, the golden flap, the carbon fiber on top of the license plate, and the curved brake light and the exhaust. So the back looks really good, and now the front looks really good too. Oh, I like the way it looks now guys. What? Yo, I love this car. Wow. Well, there you have it, guys. The install of the front lid on my car. It looks amazing. It looks really aggressive now. I don't know, I have to do something else to the front. I don't know what, like, I don't know, a little bit of carbon fiber would be nice. But yeah, there you have it. Super easy, nothing crazy. So I was going on my way home now, and I was driving like my car was on the ground, you know, on the floor. Like I was gonna scrape everywhere. I don't even have suspension. I don't know. It was just me. I could get used to it. That's something else that's coming out. Suspension, wheels. I know. I have a list, but you know, I have to work for every car. I don't have no sponsor or anything. But it is what it is. So as always, thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't done already, please hit that subscribe button over there. If you like this video, hit that like button over there. And see you on the next video. Ooh.